Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a review on the Walgreens acne system. Before I actually take the product out, I'm just going to tell you a little bit. People actually compare this to Proactive, and I used it before, but I've never used Proactive. So I went online and read some reviews, and people that actually used Proactive before said that this worked just as well. And this is only a fraction of the cost. Proactive is probably around $60. This is only $15. And you can get this at any Walgreens. So let's take the product out now. So let's start with step 1, which is the clarifying cleanser, which is 2.5% benzoyl peroxide. After that, you're going to use the refreshing toner, and you can apply this to your face with cotton balls, but I just use these cotton pads because that's all I have right now. After you apply the toner, you apply the repair therapy, and you just put that on like the spots where your acne is. And then this is kind of like a bonus. They give you a rejuvenating mask, and it's kind of like when you put it on and you let it dry, you can feel your skin pulsating, and it just feels weird. So I'm going to stop the video right now, and I'm going to go wash my face with this, and I'll show you exactly how to do it and read you the instructions. I'll be right back. What you need for step 1 is, of course, the clarifying cleanser. And you're going to need to dampen your face. So I just have like kind of like a damp towel, so I can just blow up my face like that. And what you're going to do is, it says use morning and night. Apply a small dime-sized amount to dampen skin and gently massage. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. If bothersome dryness or peeling occurs, reduce application use. Follow with refreshing toner. So I'm going to pat my face to make it kind of damp. Put a small dime-sized amount. So I use about that much, and it works really good. You can I'll add a little more. Then I have my mirror right here, so if you're wondering if I'm looking over here when I'm doing this, it's because my mirror's over here and I can't really see. So I just like to use one hand and massage it in there. And I think it'll be okay if you get a little bit in your hair, because it will wash out. And this also has like the exfoliating beads, so it like cleans your pores really good too. I usually have a lot of my problem spots on my forehead, so that's where I get most oily, and on my nose too. Okay, so once you're done with that, I'm going to go in the bathroom and wash my face with some warm water. So I'll be right back. Alright, so after you really wash your face good with warm water to clean all of that junk off your face, you're going to use the refreshing toner, and you can get like a cotton ball or a cotton pad, and just squirt a little bit on there, and just put it everywhere. So I'm going to look over here at my mirror. So I do this every morning and every night before I go to bed, to clean off all the sweat and dirt and oil from my day. But see, and the makeup too. This is really good to get your makeup off at night. Okay. So after you've done that, it says apply to cleanse skin with a cotton ball as needed. Once toner dries, follow with repair therapy. And if you're going outside, use sunscreen on your face. So just get this to dry. And it doesn't take that long to dry. It's kind of like nail polish remover. It kind of feels like that. Not that I put nail polish remover on my face, but so after that, it's pretty much dry now, so it's really quick. So now you're going to do step 3, which is the repair therapy. And it says, cleanse the skin thoroughly before applying medication, which we've already done. Cover the entire affected area 1 to 3 times daily. Excessive drying of the skin may occur. Start with 1 application daily, gradually increasing to 2 or 3 times daily if needed or as directed by doctor. If bothersome dryness or peeling occurs, reduce application to once a day or every other day. If going outside, use sunscreen. So, what we're going to do now, just put a little bit on my finger, about that much, and put it on like where you have acne, like the worst. And you don't really need to just glob it on. You just need a thin layer. To put some on my chin, a little bit on my cheek, on my nose, and definitely on my forehead. And since I've been using this, my acne has cleared up so much. It used to be really bad on my forehead, like makeup couldn't even hide it. So this was a lifesaver when my mom bought this, because I've used a lot of acne treatments and none of them ever seemed to work for me. She even went to a dermatologist and got me this one that has all this medicine in it, and I used it and it worked at first, but then as I kept using it, it like gave me more acne, which was really weird. I'm almost done, just one more spot. Okay, so after you've done that, you can choose if you want to do the rejuvenating mask or not. Let me read you the directions on it. Use fingertips. Apply rejuvenating mask to clean dampened skin. Allow to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with water. Use 2 to 3 times per week or more frequently if desired. The tightening of the skin is normal and supports the effect. So when you feel it tightening on your face, this is kind of like a clay. I'll show you, it's a green. It's like a very light green color. And yeah, so you just rub it on your skin like that, and it kind of feels like mayonnaise. It looks like mayonnaise a little bit. But yeah, you put it on your skin, and when you reach about like the 10 or 15 minute mark, you can feel it pulsating, and it just feels weird. I don't know how to describe it. But I'm not going to use it today, because I only like to use it around 2 times a week, and I used it yesterday and the day before, the day before, the day before yesterday, if that makes sense. So, but if you are going to do it, I'd wait about maybe 30 minutes to an hour to let this dry before you damp your skin again, because you don't want, you just put all those nutrients into your skin and you don't want to just wipe them off. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Bye.